Morning. It's April 6th, and we've had some terrible storms all night last night. And I'm standing on the bridge by our home, and this is the creek that runs all back behind our home. I want to show you how much water is coming underneath this thing, how fast it's moving. Now I'm about 20 feet up in the air above this stuff, but you can see the current, and it goes all the way back through there, back around our home, and back down in the woods. I'll show you the other side here. But you can see, let me see if it'll focus. We're going to get more rain today. I am very impressed at the amount of rainfall that can come down in such a short amount of time in Mississippi. I never would have thought it be this strong. It rained all night last night, really hard, all hard this morning, and this is the result. The creek in the back there is up as the highest I've ever seen it. But just wanted to make a little video of the enormous amount of rainfall we've received in 24 hours. And this thing, when it's normal, it's only about, I don't know, a foot, maybe 2 foot deep. And you could hardly even see it running. Thanks for watching.